Hello, I'm Waylon Henning. Welcome to Tea Minute Travel. Because I'm at a tea place. Yeah, it's called Zealong. So, yeah, who thought that they grew tea in the Waikato? But they do. Off to a bold start. No one's ordered tea. We're at a tea plantation.
Sorry, Sharon.
Can you believe it? Though there is tea out there, so we're just looking at this stuff.
It's good, it's more peachy than the drink I need it. We're crafty. You know what this is better than?
Cheers!
For tea.
To tea.
Teddy.
Right, let's sample the first delight. I'm guessing I can use my hands. Which is a pipe. I think they're not called pikelets here, but it is a pikelet.
It could be called a pipe.
With, I think, some stuff on it. I've just spilled some in my lap. That's tasty. Oh yeah. I'm nailing it.
I can't eat it.
Bottoms up. It's like a tomato came in my mouth. Alright, post thingy review is nice.
This is our guest. Hi, taster.
Yeah, how was it?
Yeah, spicy.
Food was really good. The halloumi was very spicy.
Service was really nice.
Yeah.
Very hot.
It's like 30 degrees. We're out of here. Thanks, Tex, again. Bye.